Appin, North Carolina in the building. Welcome in, my friend. Do you guys have rain over there in North Carolina? Welcome, welcome. Oh, hubby, thank you. Thank you, hubby. With the lucky lenses. Yes, Christina, they are huge. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Steve from Jamaica, Poland. These buildings are pretty new. They just build those buildings. They're new to the area. Hey, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Home down the street from you, Brooklyn. Tony Jones from Queens.